Hello, runners and others looking for a superb nutritional dessert. Do you want a great ice cream treat made with bananas? Well, I've got a low-fat, non-dairy, even vegan-friendly ice cream treat. It's a great recipe for you. And you know, if you like bourbon, it's even better. Hi, I'm Bill McDermott, the Running Chef. And if this is our first time meeting, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me for great runner recipes. Bananas are rich in electrolytes, which are a very essential ingredient to help prevent muscle cramps and help you in your recovery. I'm using soy milk to eliminate all of the fat that you see in ice cream through all sorts of different dairy products, especially what's used in ice cream, heavy cream. No heavy cream, soy milk. And I'm adding some bourbon, just because it tastes good. Now let's review the ingredients and their measurements.
Let's start with 1 ounce of good old bourbon.
You know, I'm not over there to stop you in case you want to add another shot of bourbon or whatever other liquor you want to use.
Let's get 1 teaspoon of dark brown sugar. Measure 1/2 cup of soy milk. Let's now add our shot of liquor and our teaspoon of brown sugar to the measuring cup.
Okay, now let's go through the process.
Now I've already frozen the diced flesh of 5 bananas for 2 hours before I put it in the food processor. Once it's loaded up, I'm going to pulse it several times. We'll then add our liquid ingredients to the food processor. We'll take the blade out and see how it looks. Perfect. Let's quickly move it to a bowl. Now I'm going to take a tablespoon scooper and scoop amounts that look like a small ping pong ball into a pan. I've got some parchment paper below there. Okay, back in the freezer. So later that night, I arranged 3 scoops in a ramekin with a little bit of fruit and some whipped cream. It was excellent.
You know, you can take some of the leftover ice cream and just shape them into the type of golf balls that you want to use to serve. They're more Instagram ready. Now, if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button below. All right, see you in the next one.